Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create databases in MySQL. So let me log into MySQL. This is the command if I want to log in at root. So I have already logged in a MySQL, and let me do show databases. Okay, so this command is to list the databases. Show databases. Databases. So you can see there is a 1 2 3 4 databases is there. Okay, so let me create a database. Create database mkd mixture. Okay, so this is the name of the database. You need to put the semicolon after this command. See, if I don't put the semicolon, what will happen? It will be look like, okay, I need to put the semicolon, and then you can see query was executed. Let me show the databases. Show databases. You can see mkd mixer is there. Okay, so if I need to drop databases, then what I have to do? Drop database mkd mixture. Okay, so mkd mixture was dropped. Again, let me do show databases. You can see mkd mixture is not there. So let me create again mkd mixture. Okay, and let me use how to use this database. If I want to use mkd mixture, I have to type use mkd mixture. Okay, database change. You can see the database change. So this is how you can create database with the create command, and you can drop the database with the drop command, and you can list up the database with the show command, and there is use database. Okay, if you want to use this database, then you can hit this command. So this is how you can do create, drop, use, and show. Okay, so this is my fourth video of this series. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.